Yeah, Gucci gang. Oh, yeah, big head on the ring. Gucci gang, 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 Gucci gang.
Let's transform the floors into something new. Give it some life. Alchemist floors. Give us a call, 915-247-8784. Again, that's 915-247-8784. My name is Saul Rohan, Mr. Alchemist from Alchemist Floors.
Gucci gang, 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 yeah, Gucci gang, yeah, big head on the ring. Gucci gang, 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 Gucci gang.
Can I stop the video?
What's going on? Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Snapchat, Instagram, all you social medias out there, how you guys doing? It's me, Saul Lujan, Mr. Alchemist, Mr. Esoteric Investor. How you guys doing? We are coming today to announce that we are the new epoxy floor contractors here in El Paso. We'll be taking appointments to start doing works for you guys, not only in acid floors, but also in epoxy finish. We will be taking appointments. Like I said, this is what's taking over the new look, you know, bringing out the graciousness and the look from the concrete. So like I said, I'm proud and I'm excited to be able to bring you guys this type of floors to El Paso. You guys want more information, give me a call, 915-247. Again, that's 915-247-8784. Mr. Alchemist from Alchemist Floors and Project Alchemy Acid Stained Floors. Signing out from El Paso, Texas with new products. Keep in touch for us.